Hi, I'm back here today and I want to show you another different type of fruits. This one is tropical fruits. You are unable to grow it in the United States of America. That's only can grow at the tropical countries. And I heard that some people try to land this type of fruit in South Florida, but I haven't heard anything. So that means the chain is unsuccessful. Big. This one is what they call Rambutan. Rambutan. Is it Rambutan? Never mind. Rambutan. This is a tropical fruit, and on those countries, in the tropical countries, they are very cheap, but here that's kind of expensive. I bought this box. It's $16.99 per box. That's 5 pounds, and yeah, they sell 1 pound is to $3.99. So I bought $3.49, or yeah, I think $3.49 per pound, but the whole box is $16.99. Last time I bought it from another store. They said 5 pounds, but when I got home, I weighed it's only 4.5 pounds. So I my scale on the back, yeah. So I don't want to run over there. So today I skip scale. This is a rambutan. This is info from Gomata. Is that? Where's that? Oh, here. A product of Gomata. And this shipped by airplane. So there's a 5 pounds. They says this one is not distribution in Hawaii, Puerto Rico, Virginia, and Guam. So this only sell another states except these states. So that's only so these people in these states won't see this type this box. Okay, let me open for you to see what else they say here. Oh, they say you have to keep refrigerator at 13 degrees Celsius or 55 degrees Fahrenheit. So for we have to keep in refrigerator at 55 degrees. So the pleasure of exotic taste. The pleasure of. Okay, let me open it. You can see. It's they says the short hair is the best one. This is the long hair. It's okay, but it's not the best one. Excuse me. Okay, let's see. I must be crazy. Let's see inside. I just showed you how to peel it. Okay, I only showed you how to eat it too. But if you have missed that, you can see many when you get that. Good. Yeah. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. It's not really too sweet. It's sweet, but not really too sweet. That's good.